terms of like being on the river, definitely Hermit Rapid was a highlight. Getting to ride that huge wave train was amazing.
Oh, I see the fifth one! Woo! Yeah! Woo!
I paddled some big wave trains before, but never anything like that. Just seeing bigger wave after even bigger wave was pretty amazing.
Thank you, that was huge!
Hermit was big, so to start off, I guess, going into Hermit, I heard from Darren that we weren't going to scout Hermit, and how did people feel about that? And I just kind of laughed because I didn't think we were going to go into an 8 without scouting it, but I said, I read the book, big wave train, I got this, you know, make it past the 5th wave, good to go. Number 10 was big, and upside down we went. So we went into it, swung up a little bit to the left, and brought the left side over the right side, and we were swimming. So I got to the perimeter line pretty quick, and Melissa was only about 4 feet from the boat, and she swam back to me. I pulled her in, and she was holding on, so I was trying pretty hard to get on top of the boat.
Oh shit.
I look over and Andy's got Melissa on the back of the pack raft, pulling her over to another boat. And
there was a 10th wave that was, again, just a wall of water, and it hit us, and I don't even know what happened after that, except I think I held on to the line pretty good, because I ended up, my bicep hurt afterwards, so I think I held on for a while, but I lost grip of it, which was a goal. I did not want to lose grip, but I did. But I was close enough to it that I had the boat very quickly. I didn't take on water, I didn't cough, I didn't not be able to breathe, I didn't think I was going to die. Like, I very quickly had the boat, and then Andy and Izzy and Ron were right there, so it was probably the best flip a person could have if you have to flip. But I was scared after that too. Like, I was really scared for Crystal after we had that flip incident.
that worked out pretty good. Everybody was there to clean that up pretty quick and got into the eddy. It was quite the experience, quite the experience.
You swam again. Then you got back in.
Yeah, like flip this, jump back in. It's all there. Yeah.